Immerse yourself in the heart of the untamed wilderness, where each footstep unveils fresh challenges and every choice molds your destiny. But fret not, courageous explorers, as we've assembled the 7 extraordinary survival tools and gadgets to outfit you for any wild expedition. From securing shelter to procuring sustenance, these vital companions ensure your safety, keep you dry, and prepare you to triumph over the uncharted realm. Let the journey commence with our heartfelt gratitude. Do you find yourself carrying a lighter for your daily needs, or do you require dependable fire-starting capabilities when venturing into the wilderness? Look no further than the Thyrm PyroVault 2.0. This innovative tool offers a robust and waterproof housing for your lighter, ensuring its protection against the harshest elements. Featuring a dual-wall construction with a secure gasket seal, as well as a user-friendly spring-loaded lid for effortless access. What's more, it includes the tender quick fire starter, discreetly concealed beneath the lighter. The PyroVault 2.0 is designed to accommodate various Zippo inserts and arrives in a thoughtfully designed display box, making it an ideal gift for the adventurers in your life. Setting off on a grand adventure? Don't overlook the essential 11-in-1 Carabiner multi-tool, your ultimate companion for camping endeavors. This compact and versatile tool boasts a multitude of functions to aid you in various tasks. It features an integrated tent stake puller, match striker, and ferro rod striker, guaranteeing you can effortlessly ignite a campfire for warmth and cooking. Moreover, its 5 cutting tools empower you to tackle anything from delicate paperwork to rugged wood-related challenges. But there's more. This convenient multi-tool also incorporates a ruler and file, standing ready to assist with precise measurements or quick fixes. Keep it conveniently accessible by clipping it onto your backpack or slipping it into your pocket. With the 11-in-1 Carabiner multi-tool by your side, all the necessary tools will be right at your fingertips, ensuring a triumphant and delightful adventure lies ahead. Leave behind any concerns about obtaining clean drinking water during your adventure, courtesy of the Grayl Ultrapress water filter. This model boasts a notably lighter weight compared to its counterparts, rendering it compatible with various escapades such as hiking and backpacking. Featuring the acclaimed one-press filtration method, this filter stands ready to cleanse water from practically any source, even the most questionable freshwater origins. The replaceable cartridges offer the convenience of easy replacements, ensuring a continuous supply of safe water. Furthermore, the river flow spout guarantees an enhanced water flow. Worried about stability on rugged surfaces? Rest assured, the TBE top grip and the soft press ergonomic comfort pad ensure a secure hold, leaving no room for complaints. Whether it's a taxing journey or a leisurely exploration, the Grayl Ultrapress water filter stands as your reliable solution for pristine hydration. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness or confronting unexpected emergencies, the mimetic RECON First Aid Kit stands as your steadfast companion, poised to provide life-saving care. This re-engineered kit harmonizes functionality with a meticulously chosen assortment of over 250 premium first aid and trauma supplies, all held to the standards of professional medical responders. Engineered to military specifications, this kit boasts enduring materials ensuring consistent performance. Enhanced features include padded backing for comfort, stowable shoulder straps equipped with seatbelt-style webbing for adaptable storage, and easily accessible front pockets designed for swift retrieval of trauma and everyday necessities. The fully modular organization system, complemented by interior mesh pockets, guarantees efficient arrangement. Approved for HSA and FSA use, this kit elevates your first aid capabilities for a broad spectrum of survival situations, whether you're delving into the wild or facing unforeseen challenges. Impressive, behold the formidable hand axe knife. Boasting a sturdy 4.5-inch blade forged from high-carbon alloy, this versatile tool transcends mere knife status. It seamlessly transitions into an axe for heavyweight tasks and a skinner for intricate precision work. Yet, its utility doesn't cease there. This multifaceted tool encompasses a plethora of functionalities, a wire cutter, a wrench, and even a hammer, presenting an all-encompassing solution for an array of scenarios. Whether you find yourself confronted with the need to cut through resilient materials, tighten bolts, or drive nails, rest assured that this hand axe knife stands ready to rise to the occasion. Its adaptability, coupled with its robust construction, renders it an unwavering companion for outdoor pursuits or DIY ventures, offering steadfast reliability in any endeavor. The BugLit Micro Flashlight, an absolute necessity in the realm of survival gear, owing to its deceptively compact yet remarkably potent attributes. Despite its charming size, this micro flashlight is far from ordinary. It conceals an array of versatile features that can be bent and contorted to secure the light in a multitude of positions. Enveloped within a sturdy polycarbonate plastic casing, the BugLit encompasses 4 functions and emits a luminous white LED light capable of illuminating up to 50 feet ahead. This vital visibility becomes indispensable in the face of survival situations. Thanks to its fully molded legs, the BugLit offers flexibility for diverse configurations, allowing it to sit, stand, or cast light precisely where needed. Weighing only minimally and equipped with a convenient S-biner clip, this micro flashlight can be effortlessly affixed to zippers or keys, ensuring swift and uncomplicated access. It swiftly becomes an irreplaceable tool in any survival scenario, where readiness and visibility are paramount. Compact, convenient, and effortlessly portable, this innovative driver tool ticks all the right boxes. Equipped with 6 interchangeable driver tips, its versatility knows no bounds. Concealed within a specially designed compartment, these tips remain at the ready, tucked away discreetly. The presence of robust integrated magnets ensures a secure grip on the bits, enabling exceptional torque and seamless operation. Crafted from lightweight yet resilient aluminum, the handle strikes the perfect balance between durability and ease. The anodized surface not only enhances its sturdiness but also renders it resistant to scratches. So diminutive is the CRKT Driver Set that it effortlessly slips into your jeans pocket, making it an ideal on-the-go companion for a variety of tasks. So that was our list of the 7 next-level survival gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.